Hello friends and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. Wow, 3 more days to Christmas. Where has this year gone? In yesterday's video I shared with you how when I'm feeling overwhelmed with life, I do a brain dump, and I showed you how I use this brain dump to then create a plan of action that details what I need to do each day in order to arrive at Christmas ready to enjoy the festivities. So today is the full day 1 of the 3-day plan. Last night I tested one of the dishes that I'm planning to share for Christmas Eve, and I will show you a little later how that went and whether it is being added to the menu for the night. I've also already gone shopping, which is a deviation from the planned work that I was going to do. But essentially, I woke up this morning, went to Pilates, and realized that when I finished at 8 o'clock, I could actually get to the shops before they got busy and get a lot of my Christmas shopping done in advance. I'll show you how that went in a little while. And I think that the secret to a stress-free holiday is actually doing as much as you can beforehand and being able to pivot if things don't quite work to plan. So I feel that by having gone shopping earlier, I was able to really work out what was on the shelves and what I needed to get outside of the norm. But first, let's finish off getting ready for the day by putting on some jewelry. You may have noticed that throughout Vlogmas, I have been sporting the most beautiful earrings and necklace. These have been kindly sent to me by Ana Luisa, the sponsor of today's video. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand perfect for high quality, thoughtful gifts. I've noticed their stunning jewelry pieces and have been eager to experience their quality firsthand. I chose the ash double hoop earrings because I wanted something small but impactful to wear that wouldn't dominate any outfit but would add a glamorous and chic touch. And these have not disappointed at all. I love how they're so versatile. The hoops are removable, so you can wear them with a double hoop or single, or even spice things up and wear 3 on one ear and a single one on the other. But I'm more of a traditionalist, so I've been wearing them as the set that they come. Sometimes I've been lazy in taking them off in the shower, and they look as good today as the day that I received them. Unlike other earrings that I have bought, they clip in steadfastly, so there is no danger of them coming unclipped when taking off tops overhead and losing them. They're a staple now in my wardrobe, and I find that they give any outfit the finishing touch, whether casual or formal. The second piece I chose is the Ina herringbone necklace. This is a beautiful piece that looks fabulous on its own and also beautiful stacked with other pieces, which I'm looking forward to adding from the Ana Luisa range. I also want this necklace in the shower for the whole month because I'm just too lazy to take it off. Once I put on my jewelry, I don't want to have to take it off and on. At best, what I do is take the earrings off at night, but even these are so comfortable to sleep on that I have forgotten to take them off. Even though I haven't taken it off for a whole month, the necklace looks as good today as it did the first day that I opened it. And this is the 16-inch, and I find that it sits beautifully just over my collarbone. These pieces from Ana Luisa are both hypoallergenic, long-lasting, water-resistant, and come with a 2-year warranty. Both these pieces look and feel luxurious because they've been dipped in 14-karat gold, lending them an exquisite and refined finish, however, at an affordable price. Jewelry is one of the most timeless and meaningful gifts that you can give, and Ana Luisa's pieces are perfect for that special someone. And if you're still looking for some last-minute gift ideas, these may just hit the mark, even as a gift card option if you're not sure which piece to gift. Ana Luisa has an amazing holiday sale going on right now. You can get your favorite jewelry pieces at a great discount. So make sure to check it out using my link in the description box below. And now that I'm all set for the day, let me cut away to this morning's quick little grocery shop. I decided to go straight after Pilates because I wanted to beat the mayhem of everyone rushing to do their grocery shopping pre-Christmas, and just as well I did, because anyway, parking is bedlam, and you just have to take a deep breath when people get aggravated over a car spot. So we were both indicate. I saw the car spot in my case, and I indicated to pull in. I was closer. They weren't. Anyway, they bullied me out of the car spot. I just, you know what, there were plenty of others to choose from. So I just decided to just take a breath. There's no need to get cranky over a car spot at the supermarket, at the shopping centres at the moment. Anyway, let me show you quickly through the first of the major shop that I do at Christmas to get ready for Christmas Eve. Now, obviously, this is a combined haul with all the stuff that I also need to eat during the week, cat food, etc. So let me start from this corner. There's milk. There's a chobani that I have for breakfast. There's some cream for the tiramisu and the pavlova. To go with the tiramisu, I also bought the mascarpone cheese, and I bought the party pies, sausage rolls, and also the pasties in case we need extra food for Christmas Eve. But seeing all this here, I don't think somehow that I'll need extra food. But anyway, it's better to be safe. I bought some juice for the kids, the apple and mango juice and pine orange juice. I'll just put that in the pantry and put one bottle in the fridge for Christmas Day breakfast. These from John West were on sale. They're yellow fish with cherry tomato and chili infused oil. It sounded yummy. I'm hoping that it is a nice big chunk of tuna rather than the little flakes that some brands have. So I'm hoping these will taste nice for my lunch. Mozzarella to go in the lasagna that I'm making for Christmas Day. These lychee drinks, I've tried them before and we love them. So they were available and on sale. So I bought a couple of bottles. I couldn't remember whether I needed butter beans or cannellini beans for the bean salad for Christmas Eve. So I bought both, and I definitely knew that I needed chickpeas. So I bought those. Mozzarella, I've said, bananas, smooth ricotta. Let me tell you this story. So I bought the smooth ricotta to make the cannoli, to fill the cannoli shells. Well, I've bought all the ingredients, the cannoli, the ricotta, the glacé cherries to go in it. I've got the chocolate pieces to go in it. I could not find the cannoli shells anywhere at Plenty Valley where I went shopping. So I've got everyone looking around, and my husband called that Samora in Thomastown, and apparently they've got some in stock, and they close at 5 today. So hopefully someone will be able to go out and grab me some. Bocconcini cheese, I got these from Coles because I know I'll always need them in an antipasto platter. Cage-free eggs, everyday napkins, and I bought these southern fried mixed chicken portions for those nights where I know I'm going to be busy with life and I just need something nice and easy to put in the oven and cook for dinner. Recently, I needed some Dijon mustard and I realized I didn't have any in the pantry and the fridge, so I had to do without for a salad dressing that I was making. I bought the smoky salsa roja, because tonight I am making chili con carne, and I'm just adding some corn chips with it and some salsa and avocados. I'll get to them anyway. I had bought panettone and pandoro. Now, panettone is the traditional Italian Christmas cake with sultanas and some fruits, some glacé fruits, and that's the traditional one. But then there's the pandoro, which comes from the northern of Italy, and that's just a plain sponge cake type of, I suppose it's the easiest thing, sponge cake, but it's much lighter and fluffier. And my daughter, Charlotte, doesn't like the fruit in the panettone, so we get the pandoro for those people that don't like the fruit in the panettone. Lasagna sheets for the lasagna that I'm making on Christmas Day. Polpa tomatoes, chopped tomatoes were on sale, so I stocked up and I got a whole tray of those because I know we eat them. This is the pasta that I'm now buying for cooking, and I wasn't sure whether I need one bag or one packet or 2 packets for the pasta salad that I'm making on Christmas Eve. Passion fruit pulp, I like to use this when I make pavlova to drizzle it over the top. And cranberries, there was a reason why I needed those. I can't remember. I know I needed them. Anyway, I bought the barbecue aluminium trays because I'm not going to take my own ceramic trays to my girlfriend's house for Christmas. I think it'll just make life easier if I just bought the aluminium tray. So one's for the lasagna and one's for the tiramisu, and then I'll carry them in an oven tray, so it makes it easier to carry. Baci. If you're Italian, do you remember these? These are delicious. Mouthfuls of dark chocolate, hazelnut, and hazelnut truffle. And it's just delicious. And they always remind me of Christmas. So I try and grab some for Christmas Day. I thought for Christmas Eve, I'm not going to be using plates, and I might have to use the cutlery. I haven't thought about that because the cutlery that you buy now I don't find is very strong. So I bought Christmas themed plates for Christmas Eve. That way we just throw everything out. I know it's bad for the environment, but I need to make my life easier for that day. There's 20 plus people coming and I'm not doing dishes on Christmas Eve. So beyond what already I'm going to be doing while I'm cooking. So I bought plates. I bought cute little cups. I bought green and gold foil balloon garland. I thought that was cute to decorate the barn. Christmas napkins. And a matching tablecloths for the trellis tables that we'll be setting up in the barn. Cat food, dog food, tinsel in gold. Excuse there, my husband's painting. Green and gold, no, red and gold. Tinsel for decorating the table. Strawberries, onions, red onion, avocados, cucumber, eggplant, water crackers, specialty crackers. These are apricot and macadamia. These are delicious. And I thought I was buying the normal fig and pistachio crackers, but these are the gluten-free. So anyway, we'll see what they taste like. I'm sure they'll be delicious. These are my favorite crackers from Woolies. They're the sea salt crackers. I could just eat them with nothing else on them. They are delicious. I bought just the home brand crackers, and this is a combined shop between Woolies and Coles because I was looking for the cannoli and I said I went everywhere. So my first shop was at Coles and I had some points to redeem for the knives. So I got the Santoku knife and I got a small utility knife to use up all my points. Stocked up on soft drinks for Christmas Eve, lychee, and then I saw the Schweppes had these gelato messina sorbet inspired soft drinks, and this sounded delicious. Passion fruit lemonade and peach mango flavor, which I thought that could actually be topped up with other vodka if anyone want to add vodka to it. I'm trying not to have alcohol over the period, but you know, it is Christmas. Passion fruit sparkling drink. This is delicious. And I saw that one of the guests when I went to her house had guava sparkling drink. So I bought that just in case she wanted to have it. And the passion fruit. I think I've missed a few things. Hand soap to top up all the new containers of soap pumps. Shapes, barbecues, tomatoes, carrots, capsicum, Doritos for tonight's dinner, lettuce, fruit mince pies. I just bought the Woolies brand. I think my daughter will bring some from work, and the Savoiardi for the tiramisu. I think I haven't forgotten anything, but that is about it. I'm going to put everything away and then I'm going to jump in the shower and start the rest of my day. I recently saw on Instagram a reel where someone was using a Baker's Delight pull-apart, cutting it down the center and inserting a circle of camembert cheese and turning it into an interesting pre-dinner hors d'oeuvre entree type of scenario, type of setup, and I thought I would give it a go. So I've cut up, I asked my daughter to bring home from work a pull-apart. This is the ricotta cheese, no, the feta cheese and spinach, or cheese and spinach pull apart, and I tried to cut it down the center and it was a little bit tricky, so I made the hole a little bit bigger, and by making the hole a little bit bigger I ended up making it a little bit too big for the cheese that I had bought. I wasn't going to go and spend a lot of money on a big camembert cheese round. I just was testing it, so I ended up using just a home brand round of camembert cheese and inserting it in the center. The reel showed to slice up the camembert cheese and put some olive oil on it, and I decided off my own bat to improvise and add also some Italian herb flakes over it. I put it in the oven and baked it for about 20 minutes until the cheese had become all gooey. Took it out of the oven and then tasted it, and it was delicious. When I spoke about it with my family, they all agreed probably a good entree to have for a family night dinner. as a something to have as instead of an antipasto, or to go with antipasto, but it wasn't probably going to be suitable for Christmas Eve, where you kind of all want everything to be out at the same time. People might be coming and going, and this was really a dish that you would have to eat warm straight out of the oven. So this didn't make it the cut for my Christmas Eve menu. Let's open day 22 of the Kiehl's Advent Calendar, and this says soft but mighty. It's the Super Multi-Corrective Soft Cream. It's got only a hint of a scent, and it goes on beautifully. Now I'm going to go and pop out to that Samora in Thomastown, go and make sure that I have those hot little cannoli shells in my hands so that I've got enough for Christmas Eve, and also to make a taste test of it tonight. It won't make it in tonight's or today's video, but it will make it in tomorrow's video. And hopefully, if you're interested in making them, you get the opportunity of being able to run to the stores and buy yourself the cannoli shells. I hope that you're taking things easy as we approach Christmas, pacing yourself and making sure to enjoy the season. A big thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I'm certainly looking forward to expanding my collection with the fantastic 6 sale they have going on now. Check out the link in the description box below. Thank you to all for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for more Vlogmas fun. Just 3 more days to go. Bye.